Hi, good evening. My name is Belle. I'm going to report to you my first case, which is the Radio Wealth Finance Company versus Spouses del Rosario. Spouses Vicente and Maria Sumilan del Rosario, jointly and severally executed, signed and delivered in favor of Radio Wealth Finance Company a promissory note for 138,948. Thereafter, respondents defaulted on the monthly installment. Issue of the case: whether or not the CA erred in ruling that the retrial should be done because of the demurrer of evidence signed by the respondents. The defendant may move for dismissal on the ground that upon the facts and the law the plaintiff has shown no right to relief. If his motion is denied, he shall have to present evidence. If the motion is granted, but on appeal the order of dismissal is reversed, he shall be deemed to have waived the right to present evidence. Ajax Marketing and Development Corporation versus Court of Appeals, GR number 118585, September 14, 1995. Now, this case talks about Article 1291, which is the obligations may be modified. Ilang Ilang Merchandising Company, a partnership between Angelita Rodriguez and Antonio Tan, obtained a loan of 250,000 from the MBTC, and to secure payment of the same, spouses Marshall C. and Nilian Tan constituted a real estate mortgage in favor of said bank over their property in Paco, Manila. Issue of the case: whether or not novation occurred. The ruling of the case: no. The well-settled rule is that novation is never. William Golanco Construction Corporation versus Philippine Commercial International Bank, GR number 142830, March 24, 2006. Applicable article: Article 1306 of the Civil Code of the Philippines. Facts of the case: William Golanco Construction Corporation and the Philippine Commercial International Bank entered into a contract for the construction of the extension of PCIB Tower 2. The project included, among others, the application of granite washout finish on the exterior walls of the building. Issue of the case: whether or not petitioner WGCC is liable for defects in the granite. The court ruled in favor of WGCC. The controversy pivots on a provision in the construction contract referred to as the defects liability period.